Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because I did receive my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of July, and I'm excited to get into it and share with you my thoughts on everything. I do have all of these products on my face, so if you want to hear my thoughts on this box, then just keep on watching. So first of all, they got new boxes. I want better products, not better boxes. I don't care what box it comes in as long as the products in there are worth getting the box. So let's get started on the products that Ipsy chose for me. We have the Natasha Denona Fez eyeshadow palette. This does retail for $48. Inspired by nature's powerful elements, this collection of desert browns and deep blues is the perfect palette to create stunning eye looks. This blend of 5 calming shades can be mixed and matched for peaceful summer moments, whether you want to blend in or stand out. Pack on shades with a dense shadow brush and blend with a fluffier brush to diffuse. After 20 years of working as a professional makeup artist, Natasha Denona created her namesake brand with luxury formulas that cater to experts and enthusiasts alike. So despite this coming in bubble wrap, it did not survive the transit. I have been cursed by the Ipsy gods, and I am now cursed to only receive broken palettes from them. So here's the Natasha Denona Fez palette. This shade is the one that's broken. It's called Morning, but I did use this for my eyeshadow today. I actually really enjoyed it. Even though one shade was broken, I was still able to make it work, which is nice, but I shouldn't have to make it work considering that this was such an expensive subscription. So yeah, I'm not a fan of receiving a broken Natasha Denona palette, but it's not my first broken Natasha Denona palette, you know? It happens, like, I understand, but every palette I've gotten from them has been arriving broken, and I'm kind of disappointed because, like, I'm paying for makeup. I expect that makeup to be packaged correctly and arrive to me safely, but it has not been happening. But yeah, I did enjoy the palette. I think it's cute. I like the color story. I think it's perfect for summer, and I really enjoyed this eye look that I have going on. I like the blue pop of color. I think it makes it kind of fun, and yeah. So the next item that they chose for me was the Earth Harbor Naturals Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I don't know how to say this. Ampoule, whatever. This retails for $38. Let the healing ocean waters and its life-giving nutrients help balance and brighten your complexion when you use this brightening blue serum. It's teeming with spirulina, blue tansy, and highly concentrated adaptogenic oils that help nourish and even out your skin tone. Massage 2 or more drops into your skin after cleansing and toning. Earth Harbor Naturals harness the power of the ocean and earth to bring you safe, suitable, and effective products that deliver results. Their adaptable plant source skincare fits into your needs and lifestyle goals. So I really like Earth Harbor's packaging. I think it's very pretty. I have another serum from Earth Harbor, but this is an oil-based product. Like, I feel it when I put it on. You can only use the tiniest of tiniest drops. So I don't know. For me, oils aren't a really big thing I like to use in my skincare routine, and preferably I stay clear because I do get like milia on my face, and I find that oils just cause that milia for me, so I just stay clear. But this one wasn't too bad. It was like nice and thin. I only used the tiniest amount, so that could be why I didn't mind it, but I have to keep trying it out to test it. It's skincare, which kind of hate that you can't really see results instantly, but like, it's fine. Let's get into my choice products. So the first choice product that I chose is the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. This has a value of $20. Your scalp will be obsessed with this serum packed with alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, and polyhydroxy acids, PHAs. It gets to work in just 10 minutes to help gently break down buildup and dead skin cells. Unlike physical scrubs, there's no need to get, well, physical here. Just sit back, relax, and let this chemical exfoliant do its thing. Plus, it's formulated with hydrating ingredients to prevent any dryness or irritation. Part your hair into sections, apply serum directly to your scalp and massage. Leave the scalp serum in for 10 minutes and rinse well before following with shampoo and conditioner. Made without harmful ingredients like phthalates and sulfates, Verb's healthy products are easy to use and give your hair any type of love it needs. So I really like, first of all, that this product is only $20, so if by chance I do like this product, I'm able to go and pick it up and it's not a big problem. So I haven't tried much from Verb. My boyfriend tried a hair mask and he said it wasn't good, so I didn't try it, but he said it wasn't good and I trust his opinion. But this seems different. It smells, I smell it through the tube. It smells so good. I don't know what kind of smell is supposed to be in here, but it smells just real good. And apparently it's formulated with moringa oil to fight frizz and biotin. So like that's nice because chemical exfoliants can be a little harsh, so it's nice to see that they added some nice hydrating ingredients in here. I'm very excited to try this out when I wash my hair again. So I will keep you posted. You will probably hear about it in my favorites and fails. We'll see. We'll see. You know? The next product I chose is the Shine Be Miami Cream Bronzer in Beach Babe. This has a value of $23. This ultra velvety cream bronzer brings warmth to your skin in just a few swipes. It's long-lasting, applies easily, and blends quickly for a seamless finish, so you look glowy and sun-kissed, never patchy. Swirl a dense brush or your fingers into the pan and pat the color around your hairline, hollows of your cheeks, and jawline, making sure you blend out the edges. Born on Miami's busy streets and iconic beaches, Shine Be Miami's high-performance products and tools are designed to help you live vibrantly and boldly. This was alright. I don't know. The packaging is cheap. I wouldn't pay $23 for this. I did have to build it a couple times on my skin. I thought the color would be a little off, but the color is fine. I just wish that it was more pigmented. I feel like it's something you have to build up, and usually I just want to kind of like pat it on and move on. So this just wasn't that for me. But yeah, this is just, it's alright. I wouldn't pay the full price. I wish I had a better option to choose, but this for me was the best option, and it's a little disappointing, not gonna lie, but it's alright. And then my last choice product is the Lucky Chic Lip and Cheek Multi Stick in Lucky Days. This has a value of $20. Who doesn't want that just back from vacation glow all year round? This ultra lightweight formula glides onto skin like a dream and melts in for a long-lasting radiant flush of pink color. It's super blendable and allows you to go from a subtle glow to a vibrant pop, while nourishing ingredients like rose hip seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter help keep your skin soft and happy. For a healthy flush of color, swipe this cheek stick onto the apples of your cheeks, top of cheekbones, on the bridge of your nose, and your lips. Lucky Chic's mission is to inspire people to create their own masterpieces with safe, vegan, good-for-you ingredients and gorgeous color, all packed with natural butters and oils and botanicals. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is probably the best product in this entire box, and it's a $20 blush. Okay, I wouldn't pay $20 for this because the packaging is cheap and I feel like there are still better out there, but this is my favorite product from this box. So I like that it's multi-use. You can use it on your cheeks and you can use it on your lips. I actually do have this on my lips today. I also do have it on my cheeks, but I find that it's probably better on the lips than on the cheeks. It kind of wears off a little quickly on the cheeks. I feel like you have to layer it with a powdered blush if you want the color to stay. But other than that, I actually really like this, and I feel like it's a good layering product, and I will definitely be using this for the summertime. I feel like it's definitely long lasting once you get it to a good place, and I love it as a lip product. So this is definitely a win for me. I like it. I'm excited to keep using it. And then along with my order, I did purchase an add-on, and I did purchase the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with niacinamide. This has a value of $10. When they say Power Grip, they really mean it. This sticky gel-based primer grips makeup for long-lasting wear, leaving you with a dewy, glowy finish. Infused with 4% niacinamide, it also helps to smooth and brighten your skin for a prepped and primed complexion before makeup. Use your fingertips to pat one pump of the primer evenly over your skin before makeup. Elf Cosmetics creates quality beauty products for makeup novices and professionals alike with a wider range of products and tools. There's something for everyone. So I actually do have this already, but like I'm low because I've been using this like crazy ever since I bought it, and it's such a good primer, and you really only need one drop and it spreads evenly onto your skin and you can just stick shit to your face. It's that good. So I'm happy to get another one. This was like $3.50, so I had to. I was like, it's usually like 10 bucks, so it's like a steal. So I did it, and I'm happy I did because now I have a backup of my favorite primer of all time. So yeah, I also did sign up for Beauty Boost this month just to see what I'm getting my toes in, and I did choose the First Aid Beauty 10% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I just wanted to see what this was about. You know, I wanted to see what the Beauty Boost was about, but I also wanted to see what First Aid Beauty is about, and they just turned cruelty free, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm really excited to see if this is gonna help my skin out in any way. This has a value of $50. Want to glow without all that drama? This 10% vitamin C serum is here to brighten and visibly firm your skin, minus all the irritation, clogged pores, or funky smells you usually get with vitamin C. Packed with the power of vitamin C, vitamin E, and squalane, this serum will help you achieve a radiant complexion, reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, and keep your skin soft, hydrated, and protected. In the morning, spread a coin-sized amount over your face and neck. This innovative brand offers feel-good solutions and head-to-toe essentials for all skin types. I'm excited to use this one because like the packaging is fun and cool. It like snaps, and like it's a nice bottle, and I like the ingredients in here, and I'm excited to test the waters and see what I think about this in the long run. But yeah, that was my Ipsy, not my Ipsy. That was my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of July. It's alright, you know. I'm excited to try like a few things, but like there's a lot of just filler for me, and I don't like filler. Okay, I like to have good quality products. I want to see better stuff. I want it. I don't want to see a new box. I want better products in the box. You know, like I don't care about the fucking outside of the box. It's on the inside. Why doesn't anyone understand this? It's on the inside. It's on the inside what matters. This could be better, and I know it could be better, so like I'm still gonna give it a thumbs down because I know it could be better. It was alright, but I know it could be better, and like I know what better is because I've had it before, you know. I hope that makes sense because I'm struggling already. As always, please let me know what you think of your Ipsys. I would love to hear from you in the comment section down below. What did you think of my Boxycharm? What did you think? It was alright. I mean, I can't really give it anything else. My palette arrived broken. Like, what can I give it? I'm trying here, but it's just not working. They stink. They need to get better. Oh yeah, and they're wasting trees now to give you a useless pamphlet. Useless. What is this? What is this? Bro, come on. What is this? It has nothing. Nothing useful, at least. Just, nothing useful. Here, guys, you got some more spoilers. Here's some more spoilers for your next shitty box. That Ole Henriksen actually seems okay. And the glow recipe as well. But the rest of it is bleh. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys! Today's video is very exciting because I did receive my... Plus, it's formulated and part your hair into different sections. I just realized that my blush is heavier on this side than on this side. So like, I made it work. I made it work. I made it worse. Yay! The next product I chose is the Shine-a-Bee Miami Cream Con. The next product I chose is the